Welcome back to the Wizard's... Actually, this is Tavarish's shop. How we got here is a different story. But while we're here, let's take a look around. There's a reason why I'm here. We'll talk about that right after this. Well, I have a reason I'm here, and we'll get to that here in a minute, but while we're here, let's take a look around. There's some familiar cars in here, some of the cars that I've seen and worked on, and there's also some that I've seen in his videos, and there's also some cars that I have no idea what's going on. But let's take a look around.
Car Wizard, where's Tavarish?
Tavarish is actually at Amelia Island for the Concours d'Elegance. He's judging there. I got asked to do a favor for him, and I said, yes, I will shoulder that burden for you. So let's take a look around. There's a bunch of engines along the wall. I'm not too sure what's going on there. That looks like a Lamborghini engine over there. A Mercedes, a Supra, a Lexus. I think that's the million-mile Lexus. This is squeaky little floors. That's kind of nice. A Mitsubishi 3000 GT. Here's the Gallardo that he has. And an R8 with the engine out. I don't know what's going on there, guys. I can't speculate on that. Here's the sad story of the 355 that burned up. It looks like he's trying to put a rotary engine in it or something. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, there it is. That looks like a rotary engine he's putting in it. Good luck with that. I'm not too sure I want my hands in that. I'm not a rotary engine guy. I don't know anything about them.
So Car Wizard, we made a trip around the shop, but what are you driving?
We'll get to that. We got a couple more cars to look at behind us, and then we'll get to that. Here's a roof of a 355. I guess the back section. Well, that's a cute little car. It's even right-hand drive. That looks like it'd be a blast to drive that little guy. Oh, look, the Bentley. The front clip is off of it, and I'm not too sure what's going on. The back end is tore up as far as the interior, and it's on wheel dollies. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that. This looks like a McLaren.
It's part of a McLaren.
Yeah. Wow. This one's seen a better day, that's for sure. It looks like it got flipped end over end. There's somebody's Nissan Titan XD with a Cummins turbo diesel in it. I don't know if that's Freddy's or not. There's a Range Rover. That's some interesting art on that car. It looks like an Apache helicopter, a Joker face. Not too sure, some sort of a collage. It says, "You mad" on it. You mad, bro? And then there's some cars over there that I can't even get back over into there.
Okay, Car Wizard.
Let's talk about
all the way away around the shop.
Let's move over to the reason why I'm here. This is the Fast and Furious Lamborghini Murcielago. He's had it at several different shows, and he had to head on out to Amelia Island. He wasn't able to get this there, and he asked, "Car Wizard, can you bring me my Lamborghini Murcielago? Can you drive it up?" I was going to be there anyways, and I said, okay, I guess I'll shoulder that burden for you. So we're getting ready to hop in. We're going to head on up to Amelia Island. It's about a 3-hour drive. I'm crossing my fingers, guys. Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers. So we're going to get in it, head on out to Amelia Island, and I'll be at Cars and Coffee tomorrow, and I'll also be at the Concours on Sunday. walking around saying hi to people. And this car will be there because the car wizard took it for him. So let's get started. Let's get this thing started. Sorry for the bounce, guys. It's Saturday morning. We're headed to the Cars and Coffee here at Amelia Island. We're in Freddie's Fast and Furious Lamborghini again, and we're following behind a bunch of very high-end YouTubers. So, off we go. We made it, guys. We're here at the Motor Expo here at Amelia Island. This is Cars and Coffee today on Saturday. We're pretty early. It's chilly this morning. There's a lot of really cool cars starting to pull in. They're getting parked. They got Freddie's Murcielago here at the front of the pack, and I'm ready to check out some really awesome cars. There's going to be really, really cool cars here today. Beautiful, beautiful scenery here. Love it. It's a beautiful day out here at Cars and Coffee. This place is packed with not only people, but really awesome cars. We just got done looking at some of the old big boats, the Cadillacs, the Rolls Royces, Packards, Delahaye, really awesome cars. Take a look around, guys. Look how many people are here. Tons and tons of people. It's a beautiful day here in Florida. They've got the Corvette area, they've got the Mercedes area. It's kind of in little blocks of different groups of cars. We got the Porsche area, the McLaren area, Lotus. All the different major exotics are represented here. It's really, really interesting. This is not a Cars and Coffee you just drive up to like you would think so. You have to present your vehicle ahead of time and get it approved. All of these cars are approved to be out here today. You can't just drive on in. So that's what's really unique about this, is these cars were hand selected to be at Cars and Coffee today. But I thought you guys might take a little pan around and look around. It's really fun. I'm having a great time. Hey guys, we're here at Concours d'Elegance. It is packed and packed and packed with people. They just opened up and we're walking through. We wanted to get a little bit more filming for you guys, but there's so many people. It's crazy. This is the creme de la creme of cars. These are cars that you don't see even at your average car shows. These are $1 million cars, very, very expensive. And you can tell by walking around that we was at Cars and Coffee yesterday. The same people that were there are not the same people that are here today. Totally different crowd. So as we go along, we're going to take a look and let you guys see some of the cool cars. Again, I won't be able to do very much commentary because it's just the crowd is too large, but let's get started. Let's take a look around. Thanks for following along today. As you can see,
Wizard!
oh God!
Wizard!
The Wizard.
Hello, Wizard!
Did we carry you over there again?
Way more famous than Tyler.
What? No, I don't know about that.
The Wizard is here.
The whole YouTube army is here.
It is a YouTuber convention.
Got Rich Rebuilds, we got Ben Wiki, Tavarish,
Frederick.
Movies Garage.
Look at Ed, he's got sunscreen on so he won't die.
Yeah, he's trying not to get burned today.
How was your trip?
Wonderful. I've had a great time.
Mrs. Wizard, good?
Good trip, good trip.
Wonderful. Well, thanks for coming.
I can't complain about driving the Fast and Furious Lamborghini halfway across the state.
Right.
It was a great time.
Wait.
Awesome.
You drove that here?
Oh yeah, it's here.
How?
Like this.
How'd you drive it though?
Like what?
How did I drive it?
Yeah, I mean like,
I went to your shop and got it.
who gave you the keys to that?
You.
Oh yeah, I guess I did. Did you like it?
I did.
Awesome, awesome.
Well, Wizard and I came here 4 years ago,
Yeah, sorry.
before YouTube, before everything. There's two of us on a road trip in an old 84 Mercedes 300 SD. So here we are 4 years later. He's the Wizard. I'm a judge. Look at me.
Judge. Big time.
It's so cool. It's such an honor.
It is.
Yes.
It is quite an honor. Are you going to give a commentary like he did?
I don't think so.
You don't think
I'm
so?
not capable of speaking in front of crowds.
Oh,
I
You're
can
gonna do
speak
the
to
next
you.
one.
Yes.
Good luck, Tyler.
good luck.
Did they give everybody blue jackets, or is that part of the requirements?
No, it's part of the dress code, and yes, I had this custom made in Vietnam on my honeymoon, but it's already a little tight.
A little tight, huh?
Yeah, in the year since.
Better hit up the diet plan.
Yeah, unfortunately, yeah.
Well, thanks for following along, guys. I hope you enjoyed the wonderful scenery here today. It's starting to warm up. Actually going to lose this jacket here pretty soon. Really, really awesome collection of cars.
Wizard!
Thanks for watching.
Wizard!
Weezer. Yeah.
He's here. He's in Florida.
All right.